everybody, Boone White with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. Today I'm going to show you two different methods to remove fabric from the seat of a dining chair. We're just going to be removing the upholstery, as I said, and this is about as basic as it gets as far as a dining chair seat. Just wrap around fabric on all four sides, no welt cording going around there. But in the past, up until about a year ago, we used to use a tool. It's an Osborne staple remover, has two sharp points on the end, and basically you would just gouge into underneath the staple and pry it up, and then go back through and use your pliers to twist it out. So I'm going to demonstrate both methods, and I'm going to time both methods, and we'll see which one gets us done quicker. And I'll also answer some of the most frequently questions of the second tool we use, which is an oscillating tool. This is the Rockwell Sonicrafter F30. And like I said, we've been using this for at least a year or so, and saw it recommended on a professional upholstery page. Several of the professionals use these to, after years and years of using your wrist like that, your wrist acts up, might start getting arthritis, and this is a lifesaver for somebody like that. But to me, it's just a matter of sort of working smarter, not harder. Working smart and hard, actually. And we specifically get blades that are bimetal, because what you're doing, you're obviously going to be cutting through the staples as you go. So without further ado, I'm going to jump in and demonstrate both tools for you. And we're going to time ourselves doing one full seat cushion with the manual lifter, and then we're going to do one seat cushion using the electric oscillating tool, and we'll sort of compare and give you our final thoughts at the end. All right. right, everybody, that concludes our test for today. As you saw, the oscillating tool was hands down faster. I'll get the final numbers when I'm in the editing stage, but from what I saw, I think it was roughly maybe 2 minutes with the electric tool versus maybe 8 minutes, so 400% faster. Like I said, we'll run the final numbers when I'm editing, and I'll put those at the end of our video. But if you've got any questions, let us know. If you want to know where to find these tools, I'll leave a link in the description of our video where you can find them. If you loved our video and want to share it with somebody, hit that like button. Don't forget to share it. And then if you want to see future videos of anything we're doing, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you receive future updates. Thanks for tuning in with us today, and we'll see y'all next time. Later.